Dear students, in our previous session we discussed about the linear inequalities, right? The definition of inequality, two real numbers or two algebraic expressions are related by the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to is called an inequality that you've seen. And there are two types of inequality you observe, that is slack inequality and strict inequality. If suppose the inequality contains the symbol less than or greater than, then we can say it is strict inequality. Suppose the inequality contains the symbol less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then it is called as slack inequality. And we can write the linear inequality. Linear inequality means what? The inequality which contains linear function. It is in the form ax plus b or ax plus by and also, okay, means either it contains one variable or two variable. So different ways we can write the linear inequalities of one variable and two variable that you seen in our last class, right? Okay, after that numerical inequality means what? The inequality which includes numerical values is called as numerical inequality. Suppose the inequality includes the letters of English alphabet or any language, then it is called as literal inequality. Okay, so those we seen in our last class, and also how to find the solution of linear inequality that we seen, right? So solution is nothing but what? The values of x which makes the given statement is true is called the solution of the given inequality. The set of all solution of inequality is called as solution set. So we seen how to find the solution of given inequality by using the different rules of inequality. Okay, the rules you had that if you have a given inequality, okay, we can add same number on both sides of an inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. Same way we can subtract same number on both sides of inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. But if you multiply by negative number or if you divide by negative number, then the sign of inequality gets reverses, right? We can multiply or divide by same positive numbers on both sides of inequality, then the sign does not change. But if you multiply or divide it by negative number, then sign of inequality gets reverses. Okay, that we seen in our last class. In today's session, we are going to solve some of the questions related linear inequality. 5x minus 3 less than 7. Solve this. When x is an integer, second sub question, x is a real number. Okay, see here, 5x minus 3 less than 7. We have to solve this inequality, means we need to find the values of x, okay, which makes the given statement true. Okay, so what are the values of x we'll get here? See, here first, see, bring the term minus 3 to other side, or we can do this like this, adding 3 on both sides of an inequality. Okay, adding 3 on both sides of inequality to remove the constant here. Okay, so then what it becomes? 5x minus 3 plus 3 get cancels, less than 10 we will get. Okay, or else just we can bring minus 3 to this side, it become plus 3, so 7 plus 3 is nothing but 10. Okay, now we need to find x value, so what we have to do? Divide 5 on both sides of this inequality. Okay, divide 5 on both sides, then this is nothing but 5x by 5 less than 10 by 5, or this is nothing but x less than 2. Okay, so values of x can take strictly less than 2. Now in both cases we need to find the solution set. Okay, solution set means what? The set of all values of x which makes the given statement true. Okay, that we need to find in both cases. In the first case, x is an integer. When x is an integer, what are the integers less than 2 will get? See, the first case, when x is an integer, the integers less than 2, that is 1, 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on, it decreases. Okay, this is the solution set we will get. Similarly, in the next case, when x is a real number, okay, see, always remember when they given to write the solution set in real number, then you will get the set in the form of interval, because you studied in your sets lesson. If x is a real number, then we can't list out all the elements in the set, so we have to write set in interval form. So, since x is a real number, the x value is less than 2, here x can take all the real numbers less than 2. Okay, x is a real number, less than 2 means what? Okay, excluding 2, the values of x can take less than 2 till -infinity, open at -infinity. So, this is a solution set. Okay, see, in the first case, when x is an integer, the integers less than 1 are 1, 0, -1, -2 and so on, decreases. Similarly, in the case when x is a real number, the real number less than 2 is nothing but open interval -infinity, 2. Okay, so like this we can solve the given inequality. Okay, now the next question what they given, see here. They ask here 3x plus 8 strictly greater than 2. 3x plus 8 strictly greater than 2. Okay, now can you try to solve this question? Okay, first we need to bring this 8 to the other side, or here subtract 8 on both sides. Okay, to remove 8. Okay, you can do like that. See what we'll get, see. This is nothing but 3x greater than 2 minus 8, or 3x is greater than -6 we will get. 3x is greater than -6. But we need x here. So what is the coefficient of x we have here? 3. So we have to remove 3. So we have to divide 3 on both sides. Okay. So if we divide 3 on both sides, what will get here? 3x divided by 3. I am dividing by positive number. So inequality sign is not reverses here. Okay. -6 by 3. So this is nothing but x is greater than -2. X is greater than -2. Now write the solution set. Okay, when x is an integer. See, what is the integer greater than -2? Integers strictly greater than -2 are -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the solution set. Similarly, when x is a real number, what is the real number greater than -2? Okay, what is the real number we can take in the place of x? Okay, when x is greater than -2, not equal to -2, strictly greater than -2 till infinity will get. Increasing -2 to infinity, open at -2, because -2 is not included. Okay, so like this. So the next question is, see, 5x minus 3 less than 3x minus 1. 5x minus 3 less than 3x minus 1. Okay, in this case, how to solve? We have x in both sides. Either you can do like this, just bringing x to one side, the term containing x to one side and constant to another side. Or else you can do by using the rule of inequality. First we have to cancel this -3. So we have to add 3 on both sides to cancel -3. Okay. After that we have to remove 3x. So we have to subtract 3x on both sides. Okay. Anyway, see here, I'll do like this. Just I am rearranging 3x to this side and minus 3 to that side. Then it becomes 5x minus 3x less than 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Or 5x minus 3x is nothing but 2x less than 2. Now we need x here, so divide 2 on both sides. So we'll get here x is strictly less than 1. X is strictly less than 1. Okay, now same case, we have to write the solution set. Okay, now when x is an integer, what is the integers less than 1 will get? Strictly less than 1. That is, the integers which is less than 1 are 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay. Similarly, in the case when x is a real number, what is the real number strictly less than 1? The real number strictly less than 1 are, okay, minus infinity to 1, open interval minus infinity to 1. Okay, so this is a way we can write the solution set. They will ask such question for 1 or 2 marks by using this condition. Okay, remember, after solving the values of x, we have to write the solution set according to the question what they ask. Okay, remember that. Okay, now the next questions. Here they will not mention the condition of x when x is an integer or x is an real number, x is an natural number. They will not mention. Okay, just they will ask to solve the inequality. Solve the inequality. In that case, what you have to do? You have to first solve the inequality and you have to write the solution set in the real number when x is a real number. Okay, see, such question will do now. The next questions of inequality. Okay, see that, solve the inequalities. Solve the inequalities. Okay, now in that first question we have 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Okay, 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. We need to solve the given inequality. So what you have to do here? Okay, see here we can do rearrangement, just bringing the term containing constant to one side and coefficient containing x to another side. Or when rearranging, remember, keep the coefficient of x which is greater numerical value which have in the same side. Okay, keep here 5x. 5x is greater than 4x. So keep 5x this side only. 4x you bring to this side. And the constant to another side. Okay, so if you do like that, then you can avoid the negative sign. Understand? See. So what we'll do here, see, just I'll bring here 7 to this side and 4x to another side. Then it becomes 3 minus 7 less than 5x minus 4x. 5x minus 4x. 3 minus 7 is nothing but minus 4 less than 5x minus 4x is nothing but x. But remember, if you say a is less than b, if you say a is less than b, then b is greater than a. If you read from b, b is greater than a. If you say 2 is less than 4, then 4 is greater than 2. Same way here, minus 4 is less than x is nothing but what? X is greater than minus 4. X is greater than minus 4. Okay, now we have to write the solution set. Okay, when x is a real number. They will not mention here when x is a real number, write the solution set. Like that they didn't mention here, but you have to write that. Okay, so what is the real number which is greater than minus 4 will get? The real numbers which is greater than minus 4 are minus 4 to infinity, open interval minus 4 to infinity, because here strictly greater than minus 4. Minus 4 is not included in this set. Okay, so open interval minus 4 to infinity. This is a solution set. Okay, understood this? Now we'll see the next question. Okay, 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. Okay, now, so just try to solve this question. Okay, okay, now see what we'll do here. Bring 3x to another side, because 3x is less than 5x. The number, the coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of x is 5, so 3 is less than 5, so bring 3x to another side and the constant to this side. So what it become? Minus 1 comes to this side, it become plus 1, and minus 7 as it is you have, greater than 5x as it is, but bring 3x to another side, it becomes minus 3x. Okay, this is one of the method by taking or grouping. Okay, grouping like the term containing x to one side and constant to another side, or else we can follow the rule of inequality. So what is the rule of inequality to solve this question? First we have to add 7 on both sides, like 3x minus 7, 5x minus 1 we have. First you add here 7 on both sides, then what will get like this. Okay, then you will get here 3x greater than 5x plus 6. Okay, after that what you have to do, see here, subtract minus or subtract 5x on both sides. Okay, so 5x get cancels here. Here minus 2x greater than 6 we will get. Same we will get here also. You can observe 1 minus 7, that is minus 6, greater than 5x minus 3x, 2x. Okay, so here sign of 2x is negative. If you write positive, what will get here? 2x is sign reverses here, less than minus 6. Right? If you multiply by negative, sign of inequality reverses. But here it not the case. Here already you have x is positive value, so no need to here multiply. Just use the property what? If a is less than b, then b is greater than a. So minus 6 is greater than 2x is nothing but 2x is less than minus 6. We need x value, so divide 2 on both sides, we'll get x is less than minus 3. Okay, same, 2x is less than minus 6. Next step, what will get? X is less than minus 3 will get there also. Okay, so any one of the method you can follow. Okay, so understood here. First, just bringing 3x to that side and minus 1 to this side. 1 minus 7 greater than 5x minus 3x. So minus 6 greater than 2x, 2x is less than minus 6, x is less than minus 3. So when x is a real number, what is the real number less than minus 3? That is minus 3 to minus infinity, or minus infinity to minus 3. It is increasing. Minus infinity to minus 3 till minus 3, because x is strictly less than minus 3. Decreases. Minus 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಇಂದ minus 3 ತನಕ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದ ಗಿವನ್ 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. Okay, I'll leave this question to you. Okay, or to try this question. Okay, 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. Okay, now the next question is 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. Okay, 3 into x minus 1. 3 into x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. Okay, so how to solve this question? Here you can observe 3 is the coefficient of these two terms and 2 is the coefficient of these two terms. So multiply 3 to each term here, we'll get to 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, less than or equal to 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. So now you got this in the form of like this, right? So again bring this 2x to this side, minus 3 to another side to solve this inequality. So what we'll get? 3x minus 2x less than or equal to 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. So 3x minus 2x is nothing but x less than or equal to minus 3. X is less than or equal to minus 3. So here what is the solution set we'll get when x is a real number? The real number which is less than or equal to minus 3 are from minus infinity to minus 3 including minus 3. So closed at minus 3. X can be equal to minus 3. So include here minus 3. Okay. Now same like next question we have. It is 3 into 2 minus x. 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. Okay, see. So again same way you have to solve the question. Okay, see, first multiply 3 to these two terms. 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. 3 into minus x is nothing but minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus x is nothing but minus 2x. Now bring the negative term you have here minus 3x and here minus 2x. Okay, if you bring minus 3x to that side, we'll get plus 3x. Plus 3x minus 2x is nothing but x. We will get x is positive. Or else just subtract this term, or we have to add 3x on both sides to remove this term. Then what it becomes here? 3x get cancels. So here what will get 3x minus 2x, like that will get. So like this, adding 3x on both sides. Okay. So what will get here? 6 greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x plus 3x. Here also I added, so 3x and minus 3x cancelled, so I didn't return that term. But here it not cancels, just here variable, you know, here 3x and minus 2x we have. So 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So here remains what? 1 into x, that is x remains. Okay, so like this. Or bring this 2 to this side, we'll get what? 6 minus 2, that is 4 greater than or equal to x. 4 greater than or equal to x is nothing but x is less than or equal to 4. X is less than or equal to 4. So what is the solution set when x is less than or equal to 4? The real number, when x is a real number. The real number which is less than or equal to 4 are minus infinity to 4, including 4 here. This is the solution set. Minus infinity to 4, including 4. Closed at 4. Okay. Okay, now similarly the next type questions. Okay, so here two types question you've seen. Now the next type question, whenever they given fractions. See, x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. Okay, in this case, how we can solve? See, you can observe in each case here you have x. So we can take x is common in each case. So it remains here 1 plus half plus 1 by 3 less than 11. Now take the LCM inside the bracket. So 6 is LCM. We'll get 6 plus here 3 plus 2 divided by 6 less than 11, or x into 6 plus 5 11 by 6 less than 11. You can cancel 11 and 11. Since here x is multiplied, you can cancel 11 on 11 both sides. So x by 6 less than 1 you got, or x is less than 6 we will get. X is less than 6. Okay, x is less than 6. So what is the solution set we'll get here? X is less than 6 means minus infinity to 6, excluding 6 here. Okay, strictly less than 6. Okay, understood how to solve this question. Now, like that, we have next question. See that. Okay. 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x divided by 3. Okay. 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x divided by 3. Okay. In this case, see, just LCM of 5 and 3 you can check, and you can taking the LCM also you can do, or else you can use the cross multiplication method. Okay, cross multiply 3 to this side and 5 to this side. Okay, then it becomes 3 into 3, 9 into x minus 2 less than or equal to, the denominator goes to this side and multiplies with the 5. 5 into 5, 25 into 2 minus x. This is the cross multiplication method. Okay. 9 into 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 5 into 5, 25 into 2 minus x. Now you got this in the form of the previous question, right? You have a product of your numbers here also like that. So multiply those. What will get? 9 into x, 9x. 9 is 2 minus 2, minus 18 less than or equal to 25 into 2, 50. 25 into minus x, minus 25x. Okay. Now here bring this minus 25x to this side. It become plus 25x. Always remember we are keeping x in positive, because to avoid the sign of reversing the sign of inequality. Okay, like this. Minus 18 to this side. So what will get here? 25x plus 9x less than or equal to 50 plus 18. Okay, minus 18 goes to that side and it become plus 18. Okay, so 25x plus 9x is nothing but 34x less than or equal to 50 plus 18. 50 plus 18 is nothing but 68. Okay, 68. So now divide by 34 on both sides. If you do, we'll get here x is less than or equal to 2, because 34 2 times 68. Okay, so x is less than or equal to 2 you got. Now tell me, what is the solution set we'll get when x is a real number? Okay, so the solution set is nothing but here minus infinity to 2 including 2 here. Minus infinity to 2 including 2 is the solution set. Okay, now we'll see the next questions. Take one. Half into 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Okay. Half into 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Okay, here also you can do cross multiplication method, and here you can take the LCM. Okay, so first cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3 into this, 2 into this term. Okay, so 3 into 1 3 into 3x divided by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 2 into this term, 2 into 1 is 2 into x minus 6. This is cross multiplying. Now tell me here what will get. 3 into, take the LCM, 3x by 5 plus 4. So 3x plus 5 into 4 is nothing but 20 divided by 5 greater than or equal to 2 into x minus 6. Again 5 is in denominator, cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So what will get? 3 into 3x plus 20 greater than or equal to 10 into x minus 6. Okay. Now multiply 3 to this term. 3 into 3x is 9x. 3 into 20, 60 greater than or equal to 10 into x, 10x. 10 into minus x is minus 60. Okay, now here 9x is less than 10x, so bring 9x to this side and the number to this side. So here already you had 60 and this minus 60 goes to that side, it become plus 60. 60 plus 60 plus 60 greater than or equal to 10x minus 9x, or 60 plus 60 120 greater than or equal to 10x minus 9x is nothing but x. 120 is greater than or equal to x, so x is less than or equal to 120. X is less than or equal to 120. So the solution set is here minus infinity to 120, including at 120 is included here. Okay, so what is the next question they given? See, 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. X minus 2. 2 into 2x plus 3, this is one term, minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. Okay, so first here multiply 2 to these two terms. So what will get? 2 into 2x, 4x. 2 into 3, 6 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. 6 into x is 6x. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. So now just again rewrite 4x plus 6 minus 10 minus 4 less than 6x minus 12. Okay, again bring 4x to this side and minus 12 to this side. So minus 12 become here plus 12 minus 4 less than 6x minus 4x we will get. 6x minus 4x, or this is nothing but minus 8 plus 8 less than 2x. 8 less than 2x, or we can say 2x is greater than 8. 2x is greater than 8. So x is greater than 8 by 2, that is nothing but 4. X is greater than 4. So the solution set we can write, that is 4 to infinity. Okay, strictly increasing. X is strictly greater than 4 here. So 4 to infinity, open interval. Okay. Now, so just practice such type of question. Okay. So try to solve the steps very carefully. Okay. Very carefully you have to solve the question and see how to solve when writing the sign. Okay. To use the formula or rule properly, or else you can do like this, interchanging. Anyway, you can solve the question. Okay. What is the next question we have seen? 37 minus 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 into x minus 3. Okay. So you can try to solve this question, right? So 37 minus 3x minus into 3x minus 3x minus in 5 minus 5. Like that first you would write. And 9x minus 8 into minus 8 into x minus 8x minus 8 into minus 3 plus 24, like that. Okay. So see here, 37 minus into 3x minus 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 into x minus 8x minus 8 into minus 3 plus 24. Okay. So 37 minus 5, 32 minus 3x greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x, that is x plus 24. Okay, now minus 3x ಅನ್ನು ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ 24 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ 32 minus 24 greater than or equal to x plus 3x. x plus 3x. 32 minus 24, that is 8. Okay. Greater than or equal to 4x. So we can say 4x less than or equal to 8. X is less than or equal to 2. X is less than or equal to 2. So the solution set what will get here? Interval minus infinity to 2 closed. Okay, closed. So in minus infinity to 2 closed at 2, that is the interval we will get here. Okay. Now the next question we will see. The next question here they given 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 minus x divided by 5. 2 minus x divided by 5. Okay, again say 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 minus x divided by 5. Okay. So to solve this question, first take the LCM on the right hand side. Okay. So keep 2x minus 1 divided by 3 as it is greater than or equal to, here take the LCM 4 into 5, that is 20 is the LCM. Okay, 20 is the LCM. So 5 into we get 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus x. Okay, again we can write 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to 5 into 3x 15x, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 4 into minus 6 plus 4x divided by 20. Now we can write 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to 15x plus 4x, 19x, minus 10 minus 8 minus 18 divided by 20. Now do the cross multiplication, we'll get 2 into x minus 1 into 20 greater than or equal to 3 into 19x minus 18. Or this is nothing but 20 into 2x, 40x, 20 into minus 1 minus 20 greater than or equal to 19 into 3, 57 into x, 18 into 3 minus 50, and here sign minus you have, so minus 54. Okay, so now 40x and 57x you have, so bring 40x to this side and minus 54 to the another side. So minus 54 comes to this side, become 54 minus 20 greater than or equal to 57x minus 40x. Okay, so 54 minus 20 is nothing but 34 greater than or equal to 17x, or 17x is less than or equal to 34. So we can say x is less than or equal to 2. X is less than or equal to 2. So can you tell me what is the solution set we'll get when x is the real number? So that is minus infinity to 2, closed at 2, closed at 2. Okay. Okay, likewise we have the next question that will I give for your homework. Okay, that is x by 4 less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. Okay, solve the inequality. Okay, solve this question. Okay, so we'll see in the next class. The remaining questions we'll solve in the next class.